ChatGPT here. We'll start with ChatGPT. So I'm going to post it in here. All right. So create a problem, agitate solution, social media post for blue light blocking glasses that we're launching our e-commerce store, target audience. And so the only thing I'm going to say our e-commerce store is glasslightstores.com. How about that? Just use that. Glasslightstores.com. All right, so we have it here. Let me move this over here. And this is ChatGPT 3.5 that we're testing, and we will be using Gemini later, but let's see what ChatGPT gives us based off our prompt. Is it even going to understand? Is it even going to understand what we're telling it? Well, let's see. So go into it. Nice. Now it's starting to spit it out there, and it's coming out. Okay. There we have it. So struggling with eye strain from endless screen time? Don't let blue light get the best of you. Glasslight Store's ultimate solution, blue light blocking glasses. The problem, it states it here, staring at screens all day, causing headaches, dry eyes, and sleep disturbances. You're not alone. Blue light exposure can wreak havoc in your health and productivity. So it's listing the problem there. Agitate. Imagine being able to tackle your daily tasks without the discomfort of eye strain weighing you down. Picture a night of restful sleep free from the disruptive effects of blue light on your body's natural rhythm. It's time to reclaim your well-being. I kind of like that. I like that. Solution. Our blue light blocking glasses are here to save the day, especially designed to filter out harmful blue light rays emitted by screens. These glasses provide relief from eye strain, improve sleep quality, and boost productivity. Whether you're crunching numbers at the office, hitting the books in the library, or dominating the virtual battlefield, our glasses have got you covered. I kind of like the fun in this. And why am I saying that? Because I've not said make it humorous. I said make it informative. But it's actually, I think, factoring in the Facebook and Instagram crowd by creating this post. So it's going, okay, what's going to pop on Facebook and Instagram? And this is probably it. So don't let blue light dim your shine. Shine bright with Glasslight Stores, blue light blocking glasses. Shop now at glasslightstores.com and take the first step towards healthier eyes and happier screen time. So as I'm reading that, I feel good about it. I like it. You know, would I post that as a social media post? Would I refine that? Maybe refine a little bit more, but let's see what we got. This is for ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do here is copy it. And why do I also like it? If you noticed, it gave us emojis and hashtags without me having to tell it. Before, when we first started using AI, you would have to tell it to give you hashtags or it won't. You had to be quite specific with that, so that's cool. So now we have it here. I'm going to just, so you guys see what I'm seeing over here, and I'm going to put ChatGPT over here since this is ChatGPT's response to our prompt that we've created here. So let's see, we got it. Pretty cool. And that's pretty nice. All right, so now let's use the same